Okay, going through the tasks that you captured one by one. Number one, yes, make sure our lawyer is also linked to that task. Item number two, yes, sounds good. Oh, I see that you captured talking to the lawyer in number three, so that's fine. Let's keep them separate. Number four, that makes sense. Number five, yes. Number six, I think it will be a 15-minute task. Number seven, change it to must do though. Number eight, nine, and 10 make sense. Actually, number 10, instead of creating a Sherpa OS task, just create a GitHub issue for it instead. Everything else looks good. Please proceed.
Okay, I'm working on those in parallel, but let me give you a session summary. We started at 9:46 a.m. and finished at 10:50 a.m. I ran a system health check and found several overdue tasks and a contact data issue. You told me which tasks were done, which to reschedule, and which to keep for today. I fixed the contact issue by linking them to the right project. I scanned your Slack DMs. All threads had been replied to. One contact still owed you a response. I pulled your email inbox. You cleared the obvious stuff first, paid a couple of bills, and recorded invoice payments we received. Then I read 4 emails and we created tasks and response drafts for you to edit and send. You added 5 new contacts to the CRM, all tagged as nurture. I created Vault Docs for them. LinkedIn was clear. No browser tabs. Calendar review surfaced a busy day. Demos, client meetings, and evening blocks. During the brain dump, you snoozed 1 contact until end of summer and asked me to put their associated project on hold. You also rattled off 6 new task ideas, which I captured, scored, and promoted. And 2 GitHub issues were added for bugs. Then we ran Sherpa Doctor again, fixed couple of issues, and committed the change to Git. We committed your day plan around the demo, the grant application tonight, and a set of quick administrative tasks for the afternoon. Touchgrass complete. Go make that demo great. 1,700 plus people are watching. Have a good one.
Hi, I'm Amir. I'm the founder of Aggregate Intellect, a small business that has been around for 7 years. I spent a lot of my time thinking about what entrepreneurship is going to look like over the next 10 years. There are between 13 to 15 million businesses in North America that are less than 5 employees. Although historically these businesses remain small, we finally have an opportunity for these to get to that kind of growth even without increasing their headcount. That's exactly what we've been doing over the past several years. We have reduced the size of the team, but our revenue has significantly increased. And currently I'm running the business alone with a number of subcontractors. AI and agents should look like an exoskeleton for founders. We are going to see a lot of opportunities for micro businesses like us to grow and achieve significant market traction and serve populations that are historically underserved with very specifically designed products and services. The big problem that business owners like me face is that we want to be healthy, we want to interact with our families, and we want to work many hours a day. And there is usually way more tasks and projects going on than we have time for. These days, I'm increasingly using an agentic system that I call Sherpa OS, an operating system to help me stay on top of my business and life. Sherpa OS is a system that I've been building over the past year. It is largely a Python application that is running inside Cloud Code. Sherpa OS provides integrations into the common tools that I use like Google Drive, Google Calendar, Slack, Gmail, and it keeps track of all of the documentation for various projects, for relationship management, for even personal tasks and chores, and importantly connects to a SQL database to keep track of a structured data like sales conversations, where they are, relationships with contacts. It has a scoring system that reminds me if a project or a contact is stale and I have to take an action about them, or if a task is overdue or due soon. It does automatically crunch all of this information and provide priorities to me on an ongoing basis. I have a large number of workflows in it. The one that I use every day, maybe sometimes even multiple times a day, is touch grass. This workflow helps me clear all of my inboxes in Slack, in email, and once all of the information is captured, it helps me organize all of that into Sherpa file system and the SQL database, and then also schedules all of these into my calendar, including commute time if I'm going to an in-person business networking event or another maybe personal function, including things like even walking my dog and feeding my dog or doing some house chores. It's been a lifesaver because I manage to stay on top of everything I need to do for my business. A very important part of Sherpa OS is what I call Sherpa Doctor. Sherpa Doctor is in charge of running a series of monitoring processes. Obviously, I spend as much time as possible to make sure that the agentic workflows and skills that exist in Claude are as good as possible, but I don't trust it completely to do everything right. Regularly, Sherpa Doctor runs data quality and business logic checks. It looks at my data, looks at my documents, and then highlights anything that seems off. An opportunity that is in proposal stage but doesn't have a contract value, for example. And every time that I find a mistake, I improve the software as well as the skills, and then immediately also create either software tests or doctor checks so that we can catch future versions of that problem when they occur. If you liked what you heard, we run a series of services to help people who have ambition to be entrepreneurs, who have tried building with agentic systems, but they want to take it to the next level. They want to do it in a more structured way. A program in which you work with a cohort and with mentors to build an agentic system that will solve a business or a personal problem that you have over a few weeks with access to experts, with peers. So if you're interested, check out the links in the description and hope you can join us for a future cohort.